Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Nervos Network. Got my Nervos Network t-shirt on for good luck today. I hope you're all having a beautiful Saturday wherever you're at in the world. Like I said, we're going to be discussing price action. We're going to be discussing some current events going on within the ecosystem. So let's get into this. Welcome back, everyone. We've got a banger of a tweet, baby, from RadioNervos.bit. The inflow of assets from Ethereum to Nervos, approximately 1,960 ETH and 3.7 mil worth of USDC. This is what gets me excited, people. People are starting to wake up. When Nervos starts connecting to all these other chains and connecting everything together like they want to do, we are going to see these massive inflows of other currencies to Nervos ecosystem. So this is a wonderful thing. Great post to from RadioNervos.bit. We've got Brainiac Finance, folks. They are a smart lending market on Nervos, and I believe they might be one of the first legit lending platforms on Nervos. But they had their IDO this week. It closed. They claim it was 250% overflow. So this is wonderful to see. I hope that these people can really pull this off. I went ahead and looked at their dashboard. Phenomenally done. Phenomenally done. So it looks like we're starting to get some liquidity here. So that's good to see. And you know what? This is at its very infant stages. So I'm expecting that as people become more comfortable with Brainiac Finance, we will see these numbers grow. They are kind of, very new. So the more people that catch on to this, the better things are going to get. So that's great to see that they are having a successful launch. Now, I put this tweet out back on September 3rd, and this was my Bitcoin prediction here. And you can see that we had this harmonic pattern that I was predicting would maybe play out. And then I was kind of predicting that Nervos would break out to the upside here. Well, let's check out the Bitcoin prediction, and you can kind of see here was that harmonic pattern that I was kind of talking about. It would look something like this. And really, the points I'm looking for Bitcoin to really kind of pump up to is this 61.8. We need it to hit the 61.8 if this harmonic pattern is going to play out. And that would be roughly $22,339. We'll just cut it at $22,340. Really, we could see this C point reach anywhere up to 25,251 before it dumps, and we could be seeing the price run down to the 127. Now, if this does happen, folks, I would be predicting that we would see around a $16,785 Bitcoin if things get bad. If things get really bad, we might be eyeing a $14,525 Bitcoin. And I almost said 1,400, folks. Imagine buying Bitcoin at 1,400. Whatever. So we are hoping at this point that Bitcoin does not strike the 61.8, or we are hoping that it goes higher than like $25,250. If it lands anywhere in this area from 22,300 to 25,250, I think the markets are going to tank in the coming months. So let's look at Nervos. And this is kind of what I was telling you guys back a week ago when I made this prediction on Twitter. This is why you guys got to follow me on Twitter too. Falling wedge classic, boom, to the upside, let's go. That was my prediction. And in the last stream I was kind of predicting the same type of harmonic pattern that I just described to you guys. I won't go into crazy detail right now, but I'm going to erase some of these squiggly lines right here. But we did end up getting this little spinning top here and some bullish engulfing. We still got 42 minutes to go on the charts. I don't think we're going to see Nervos close below 0.00365-ish. But right now we are trading at 0.00374-ish approximately. What I'm looking for here is that price came down and hit the 61.8, but did not go lower than the 786, which did just happen. So we are right in this Goldilocks zone for this bullish Gartley pattern to play out. So this is a harmonic pattern. And what I'm looking for now is for somewhat of the same pattern to form that we were just discussing with Bitcoin. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this just so it's not confusing. What I'm looking for here is for Nervos to cruise all the way up to 61.8, this 0.004472-ish level, perhaps all the way up to a half a cent. 0.0055-ish. If it goes higher than that, great. That's exactly what we want. I would be a little skeptical, though, if that did happen. We might have some sort of widening wedge or something like that forming, but that's for a whole nother discussion. My fear is that, if we end up in between this 0.0055 to 0.004472-ish region, that would set up for the right shoulder of this bullish Gartley harmonic. And I do think that we would see Nervos, unfortunately, go lower. So if that does happen, and let me just say this. The entire markets are going to be suffering big time if this happens. But we'd be looking at a 0.002919, Nervos or CKB, excuse me. If things got really, really bad, we're looking at 0.002215-ish, somewhere in there. So I'm hoping that is not the outcome. Don't get me wrong. If we could buy some CKB at those prices, man, I would be all over that. That would be like a dream come true. But it is what it is. I feel comfortable buying CKB under a penny. So these are all great prices in my opinion, not financial or trading advice. That's just kind of my view on CKB right now. Look for some resistance around the 0.00383, 0.0041, 0.0044. That's the one to really pay attention to, is that 0.00447. Price tag somewhere in there. That could be the ultimate rejection point that forms this harmonic pattern. So hope you guys enjoyed this little breakdown on what's going on within the Nervos network ecosystem. I love you all. I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful weekend wherever you're at in the world. Get outside, get some fresh air. See you guys all on the next video.